G'day guys, welcome back to the next video. So we've created a file that's named activity1.html in brackets. There it is. So I'll keep these videos short. And we're going to create our first web page. Now, go to your first line and type the left bracket, which is basically sort of like an arrow pointing left. Put an exclamation mark and write the word doc type HTML and then a closing bracket. Now don't get too worried about trying to understand that. Basically that is a little bit of hidden information in this file, so that when a web browser opens this file, it's telling the web browser the content of the file. In this case, we're telling it that this document contains HTML codes, hypertext markup language codes. There's a comment code. Actually, I will leave the comment code. Right, HTML, pretty straightforward. We type the word HTML, which is short for hypertext markup language. And this is the nice feature of brackets. As soon as I type the opening tag, these are called tags, it automatically puts the closing tag. What do you notice about the closing tag? It's the same, except at the start of it, it has a /. That's what I call that, a /. So most HTML tags have an opening and closing. Now, each web page has two sections. So let's start by putting the two sections in. The first section is called the head. By the way, you don't have to put capitalized. For some reason I started. The case does not matter. So we can put, so we've got the head and then the closing head. And then we have the body. The body is the key one. That's where the most of the content of the web page that's displayed is stored. Okay, finally, let's see in action. Let's type some text. Now, hello, type this inside the body tags. Hello world, this is my first web page. Okay, I'm going to stop the video there for a second. You catch up to me. Enter those very carefully. And when you're ready, start the video again. Now, once you've changed the file, up the top here you notice a little dot. Can you see my arrow pointing? That means the file's changed. So you must save your work as you go. Okay, or on a Mac you press Control S. Control key S. That's our file. We can actually now view this in our web page. So to actually view this web page, come over to the far right, and there's this little sort of like a lightning bolt, or it's like electricity. I know it's sort of saying connect. So there's a command. It'll display this page in a web browser, so Chrome. So press that, and Chrome is opening, and I will shrink it down. There's the web page. Now, nothing particularly fancy about that. You can see that. But notice this part here is in the actual window of the web page. And up the top here, notice it's got the word activity1.html. Okay, I'm going to stop there. You get that to work, and then I'll come back with the next little short video.